Hello, it's Jennifer from Sea Lemon. Welcome to another Sea Lemon Day quick Q&A. Today's question comes from Ben Taylor on Twitter. He asks, what would you suggest someone who was starting out to make their own book pick up as a get started kit? I have a couple suggestions for you. So I did recently review or unbox a bookbinding kit, which is the top rated bookbinding kit on Amazon. You can check that out in this video. I will also link it down below. For the most part, that kit does have a lot of things that you need to get started, but I will say after working with the thread more that it is a little bit slippery. When you tie knots with it, the knots kind of come undone. I think it's just coated in something a little bit different. It's definitely not a wax, it's more slippery or glossy. So just keep that in mind if you look into that kit. But if you're just practicing bookbinding and you need just a thread to learn with, then it might be fine. If you want to know more about thread and a lot of other bookbinding materials and tools that are essential for starting, I have a whole playlist full of bookbinding supplies, substitutes, and tips, so you most likely will find what you need in that playlist, including a really old video which I made a long time ago covering bookbinding tools. I do have a whole list on my Amazon shop that shows you all the tools and materials I use in my book projects. There's a lot of stuff in there, but for you and for anybody else that has the same question, I'm going to make a whole new list that is for the essentials for starting bookbinding. And you can see that list and all my other lists of my favorite products at my Amazon shop at amazon.com/shop/sealemon. Some of you, even beginners, might already have some tools that you can use for book projects, and so this way you can pick and choose what you need. So Ben, I know that wasn't a one straightforward answer, but I hope some of those offer some solutions for you. And if you have any tips in the comments, go ahead and share them in the comments. And if you have a question you'd like to see me answer on one of these Q&As, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Follow me on my social links and #SeaLemonDay, and I will do my best to answer it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. We are almost to 1 million C subs, so make sure you hit that button, hit the bell so you can be the first to get notified for when I post new videos. Thank you to my YouTube members and patrons for supporting this channel and helping me make more videos that help others. And if you want to check out more book-related videos, I'll put some playlists right here. I will be posting another book project soon, which is even more important, why you should subscribe so you don't miss it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!